Did you know that ChatGPT Plus, that is ChatGPT 4 and 4o, costs around $20 per month? But what if I told you there are tricks to using ChatGPT Plus for free? So, without any further ado, let's get started. OpenAI recently introduced its powerful and up-to-date model, that is ChatGPT 4o, in April 2024, and ChatGPT 4 was introduced in 2023. This new model offers optimized performance in comparison to ChatGPT 4 with faster response times, improved accuracy, and enhanced features like emotion detection and real-time translation, making it a game changer in the AI world. Additionally, ChatGPT 4o supports seamless integration with plugins, provides personalized chat experiences, and includes advanced context understanding for more coherent conversations. The model also boasts improved multilingual capabilities, allowing it to handle a wider range of languages with greater proficiency. Let's check out the features on the official website of OpenAI. So, once you click on this link, you will be directed to the Hello GPT 4o OpenAI page, where you can actually explore the capabilities of GPT 4o. So here you have a default option that you can select. So let me actually try out the poster creation for the movie Detective. So here you have to give input as two separate images, where you can actually get the output as the poster for your movie. You can actually try out other options here as well. So 3D object synthesis. Here the input should be these, and you will be getting the output like this. Also, we can also find the test evaluation of the models that are used. So you have GPT 4o, GPT 4t, and few other OpenAIs as well. So this is your evaluation sheet. So you can go and check our great learning platform to learn more about the text evaluation as well. For more information on ChatGPT 4o, please check out our hero video on ChatGPT 4o versus 4 versus 3.5. Now that you are aware of ChatGPT 4o's impressive capabilities, let's explore the first method of accessing it for free. The first trick is to access ChatGPT 4o using Binge Chat. Microsoft Binge integrates the ChatGPT 4o model to deliver more accurate and insightful search results. By leveraging the power of GPT-4, Bing Chat can provide responses equivalent to the default ChatGPT 4 model, enhancing your search experience with better context and understanding. This integration means you can enjoy the benefits of ChatGPT 4o's advanced capabilities without any additional cost. Now let's see the demonstration of Microsoft Binge. Once you open the Binge on the Chrome, you will be directed to this page where you can create your account. I have created my own. You can click on Copilot to give your prompts. So let me start with first thing. So my first prompt is, I want to create an image of a girl holding balloons. So we'll see what Binge gives. So it is taking time. It is telling that I'll try to create that. Here you go. I got 4 images of a girl holding balloons. This is how Binge helped me creating image. Now let me ask Binge to create a code. I have given a prompt telling it to create a code in C for swapping 2 numbers. We'll see what it gives. Wow, that's awesome. It gave me 2 different codes, wherein first code is using a temporary variable and the second code is without using a temporary variable. So here it gave me a C programming code to swap 2 numbers. This is how you can use Binge AI. This is how you can leverage Binge AI powered by the ChatGPT 4o model to get enhanced result for free. It's a powerful tool that brings you the best of AI without any cost. The second trick is to use the Merlin Chrome extension. Merlin is a handy tool that integrates seamlessly with your browser, offering advanced AI capabilities right at your fingertips. Utilizing the ChatGPT 4 model, Merlin delivers superior outputs equivalent to default ChatGPT 4, enhancing productivity and providing effortlessly high-quality results. Search for Merlin on Google and create your own account to get started. After setting up, you can input prompts tailored to your needs. However, make sure to select the GPT-4 option in the top right corner of the application to ensure you receive the best output. You can give the prompts as per your requirements and check if it gives us the better result. Once you go on Merlin on your Chrome, you will be directed to this page. Here on Merlin, you have to select the GPT-4o option. And you can start asking Merlin by giving your prompts. So let me give my first prompt as create a code. I'll give the same prompt, that is create a code in C for swapping two numbers and give enter. We'll see what it gives. Wow, Merlin gives a better result. So using a temporary variable, it gave me a code. And without using a temporary variable, it again gave me one more code. And method 3 also using bitwise XOR operation also. So this is how you can use Merlin to generate your prompts or results. To know more about how to give prompts on your ChatGPT 4o, you can go to our platform and check for the video on building a Python app using ChatGPT 4o. This is how you can use Merlin powered by GPT-4 model to get enhanced result for free. It's a powerful tool that brings you the best of AI without any cost. The third and last trick is using ChatGPT 4o on the ChatGPT Open AI. So here we will see how to use ChatGPT 4o for free on the default model, that is 3.5. So I'll give my prompt here on the default model, that is 3.5. So I will ask the ChatGPT to create a definition of what is software testing in software development. So the default model is giving us the result. So it is telling what software testing is and the key objectives of software testing and different types of software testing, and the levels also is given. And we also got some common techniques in software testing. So this is the result of the default model. Now, below the result, we have an option of changing the model to 4o. If I click on the change model, we'll see what we get, right? So as you see, ChatGPT 4o model is generating the better result when compared to our default model. It is telling the types in detail, what is manual testing, what is automation testing, what are the techniques that are used, and the stages in techniques. It is giving everything in a better format, right? So this is how you can use ChatGPT 4o model for free. You don't have to spend a lot to enjoy the amazing features of ChatGPT 4o. By using Bin Chat, the Merlin Chrome extension, and even the default ChatGPT platform, you can access ChatGPT 4 for free. These tricks allow you to benefit from faster responses, better accuracy, emotion detection, real-time translation, and more. Give these methods a try and see how ChatGPT 4o can enhance your experience without costing you a penny. Comment below with your experience trying these tricks, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Happy prompting!